school is notorious for computers and classrooms, something that may cause a great stress for students. In Missouri, an estimated 600,000 adults over 21 don't have a high school diploma.
This is not the same as what it was.
That's why when Cody Chamberlain heard about the Excel Center, he couldn't help but call the center to apply. It was a chance to confront a lingering regret.
I've just been beating myself up about it. Why did I quit? Why did I quit? And now I got this opportunity. It's amazing.
A dropout at Fulton High School, Chamberlain wanted to come back for his family and aspirations. This is the reason teaching at the Excel Center is life-changing, according to Leanne Hendrick.
I do know where they come from, and I know the struggles that they've had. And I've always been one that I like to see people succeed. I like to see people feel good about themselves, better themselves. And it's part of what motivates me, right along with my love for teaching. It's part of what motivates me to come.
But I want it to also meet the criteria that we've been looking for.
The Excel Center opens this year to give adult students a second chance at getting a high school diploma. The Excel Center has a free daycare for students who are enrolled, and tuition is completely free. As for Chamberlain, he said it wouldn't be possible without the support Goodwill offers.
They're really warming here. They're non-judgmental. They don't hold anything against anybody. They treat everybody as equals. They bring you in here saying just try your best. That's all we can expect. Other than that, you really can't expect no more.
Chamberlain plans to attend Moberly Area Community College to study business. This is a good thing, according to Reynolds.
We want to help our workforce. We want to help those individuals either A, get a job, or B, get a better job.
Adults can enroll or receive more information at mearsgoodwill.com. From CPS 360, I'm Kaitlyn Bailey.